Ever been stuck in snow, wheels spinning hopelessly? I know the feeling, late for work, tires just slip. You try shoveling, pushing, even rocking the car, but nothing works and your hands are freezing. Getting out of a snowy driveway shouldn't be this hard, and that's why I switched to Auto-Trac tire traction chain. No more crawling around in the snow or jacking up my SUV. Auto-Trac chains install without moving your vehicle. Seriously, just snap, connect, and you're ready. The patented ratcheting system tightens automatically. No extra tensioners, no complicated steps. They meet Class S clearance for trucks and SUVs, so they fit even if you have limited wheel space. The diamond pattern cross-chain grips icy roads. You get a smoother ride and way better traction. Plus, the manganese alloy steel is tough and lightweight. That means longer wear and less road impact. Let me show you how easy it is to use these. First, drape the chain over your tire. Connect the inside cable, no need to move your car. Attach the two outside self-tighteners. That's it. The ratchets do the rest as you drive. In just minutes, you're ready for winter roads. No wrestling with frozen metal or dirty gloves. The chains stay centered and tight automatically. Even on bumpy, icy roads, they don't slip off. You'll notice the difference right away. My SUV grips the road even on steep hills. Stopping distances are shorter and steering feels safer. No more fishtailing or sliding at stop signs. And taking them off is just as fast. No hassle. I keep a set in my trunk all winter long. Perfect for sudden snowstorms or icy back roads. And if you drive a truck or SUV in winter, you need these. Don't risk getting stranded or stuck again. Auto-Trac chains are built for real winter driving. They're great for commuters, outdoor adventurers, or pros. Whether you're heading to work or the mountains, you'll have peace of mind when the weather turns bad. Remember, don't exceed 30 mph with chains on. But you'll feel confident on snow and ice. The lightweight design means less wear on your tires, and the diamond pattern gives you more grip points. No more worrying about chains flying off mid-drive. These are designed to stay put and last longer. I've tried other chains, nothing is this easy or reliable. Installation takes just minutes, even in freezing temps. No tools or extra parts needed, just the chains. If you value safety and convenience, give them a try. Auto-Trac chains make winter driving stress-free. Don't wait until you're stuck in a snowbank. Grab a set now and be prepared for anything. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Stay safe, drive smart, and beat the winter blues. Auto-Trac tire chains, winter's best friend for your SUV. Check them out and get ready for smooth, secure driving.